Hello guys, how's everything? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm loving today. I'm having a great day. I got a lot done this morning. What time is it right now, guys? Just to keep you guys informed, it's 10 in the morning right now in New York. Let's check what time it is around the world. In Ethiopia, it's 5 p.m. So hopefully someone's watching from Ethiopia. I don't think so. But hopefully if someone is, please leave a comment because I love Ethiopia. Great country. Ethiopian's food is fantastic. In Mexico City, where I used to live, it's 9 a.m. Let's get started. So let's talk about Maitre Gims. Maitre Gims. So Maitre means master in French, right? But that doesn't matter to us, right? Because we just care about this guy, Maitre Gims. And he is an immigrant from Congo. Let's learn about this guy. Let's learn. So this channel is all about inspiring people in the developing world to achieve financial freedom. That's the key. And again, I hope I can share things I have learned in my journey, a journey that I still am on. I'm not financially free. I don't pretend to be an expert. I'm just someone who has invested a lot of time in learning this stuff, on watching a lot of content about this, and reading a lot of books about this, on talking to a lot of people about this subject. And hopefully, if I can just help one person, then I'll be happy. So let's see where this guy was born. Right, and this guy is rich, I'm telling you. Let's look at his net worth. Maitre Gims' net worth. Because this guy, I'm telling you, he's rich. You know? Okay, Maitre Gims' net worth is a Congolese, right? Congo, very poor country, right? He made it out. Inspiration. Let's look at this guy. He's an inspiration. And singer who has a net worth of $16 million, right? Very cool. Where was this dude born? He was born in Kinshasa, Zaire. Zaire, it's basically Congo. This is Congo. It's the old name for the Democratic Republic of Congo. You can see here, it's Congo, right? Today the country is the Democratic Republic of Congo. So let's learn about a little bit where this guy is from. Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay, so this guy is Democratic Republic of Congo. It's this country right here, and it's one of my favorite countries in the world because of just how big it is. It's like, if you want, I always tell, I love Africa, but Africa, there's a lot of different Africas, right? There's North Africa, and that's very Arab, very French, very different. There's these parts of Africa, such as like Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, and that's kind of like more desert. But I always tell people, if you want like real, there's Kenya, and that's like Savannah, Africa, Tanzania also, Ethiopia also. But also, if you want like true jungle Africa, like jungle, rainforest, waterfall, leopard and tiger Africa, go to Congo. Congo is the rainforest, is like this huge rainforest nation in Africa. And quickly, just before we continue with our guy Maitre Gims, let's look at the rainforest of Congo. Right? Let's just look at it. And yeah, Congo has some of the most intense rainforest in the entire world, and it's beautiful. And they're known for one thing, gorillas. They're known for amazing food. They're known for these guys called okapis. I think that's what they're called. Anyways, so this dude, Maitre Gims, who has a great net worth, was born in Kinshasa, the capital city of Congo. And his real name is a really big African name. But yeah, he made it out. He was an immigrant to France, and he makes music. And quickly, let's just look at the type of music he makes, because this guy, I'm telling you, I learned French. I lived in French-speaking cities such as Quebec City and Montreal. I lived there, and I know that. But look at this guy. He's having a documentary in Netflix, right? And you guys can watch this. His songs. Look at this, guys. Come on, I can't make this stuff up. 473 million views. And I know this in Spanish. I'm sorry. It is what it is. But, you guys can still 473 million views. So, I want you guys to use this as motivation. Maitre Gims. And I know, this guy, he makes music. And trust me, I understand. I really understand making music. It's way easier said than done. It's the same thing as becoming a soccer player, right? There's a lot of competition. It's almost impossible to make it. But look at his work ethic, right? Like, guys, like, look at, and I'm just gonna pull this up really quickly again, but Maitre Gims interview, English, right? Because this guy, he speaks French. In Congo, they speak French. But I mean, look at this. Look at his interviews, right? Learn what he has to say. And I mean, most of his interviews have subtitles in English. Learn what this guy has to say and really analyze it. Because, I mean, the same thing is, yeah, he makes music. And I'm not promoting making music because it's more of a hobby. And I'm sorry if you guys don't want to hear it, but it's not reliable. There's a lot of competition, right? But what do I want to take away? You know, hustle, work hard, very hard. I want you guys to understand that if you are from a developing country, like a country in Latin America, a country in Africa, in South Asia, what do I mean by South Asia? India, Indonesia, Malaysia, etc., right? Or the Middle East, especially Syria, or Yemen, or Iraq, or Iran, or Egypt. If you're from developing country, that does not equal violence, drugs, poor. It does not. Developing country equals extremely hard workers. That's what I want to get. And you see it with people from Mexico, for example, in the United States. So Mexican hard workers, you know, there's this insane reputation that immigrants from Latin America have in places like California in the US, you know. Here it says Mexican laborers still working hard, you know, because Mexico is the hardest working country in the world. It is hardest working countries in the world. Let's look at these countries. Let's look at let's look at the countries. Okay, I'm noticing a pattern here. Mexico, look at this. The hardest working country in the world is Mexico. That is insane. Colombia, Mexico. No, that's work-life balance. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, okay, let's look at this chart. It says the hardest working countries in the world, Mexico is number one. Turkey is number one. It's not number one, but it's up there. Hungary, Greece. Greece is a very poor country, you know. And also, guys, understand this: the best economists in the world, the best economists in the world come from Thailand, Mexico, Brazil, Turkey, and Greece. A lot of people know this, and you guys want to know why this is? Because countries such as Thailand, such as Mexico, Brazil, Turkey, and Greece have terrible economies. So that's what I want you guys to understand. And just like this guy, Maitre Gims did, you know, be inspired by this guy. Read his biography. Listen to what he did, because yeah, I do not want you guys to all become like, oh, because I became a rapper because, you know, I became an artist because, you know, Daniel told me to. No, guys, but like, what I do want to do is work hard and understand that if you come from a developing country, it equals, right? If you come from a developing country, it equals extremely hard workers, and that's what you guys should be striving for. It does not equal violence, drugs, poverty, slums, none of that. All right, so hopefully you guys love the video. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Please take care, enjoy, and as I always do the numbers and may the odds beat you out. Thank you guys. Take care.